How to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if WhatsApp keeps crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if WhatsApp has been crashing for some reason, first of all just make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. After you've done that, make sure that you download the official WhatsApp application from your Play Store or your App Store and not third-party WhatsApp application that you downloaded from somewhere. Also make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version and ensure that you're also up to date with your latest software update. To check for software updates, you can simply open settings and just go to about phone and go to software information and try to update your device. After that, what I want you to do is long press the WhatsApp app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page, and then go to storage. Clear the cache files and clear the data. Remember that clearing the data will delete your chats, so make sure that you've backed everything up. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.